Alright, backtesting every day until possible day 62. So this is where I left off yesterday. I did some checking the like from previous day. So yesterday I did some checking there and I found that it's probably best for me to also add the 2-day time frame, which I did. Not on here yet. There. So now I have the. So in my opinion, like I thought about this. Most of the time you go from a daily chart to the weekly chart, but I wanted more data. So I went to the 3-day chart and the 4-day chart. I added that because of like you can split a week into a singular time frame. So I did 3.5 days. I did the 3-day one, I did the 4-day one. But from yesterday I noticed where was it? Or where is it actually? Wait, I don't even know where it was anymore. I was looking for longs instead of this entire leg, I think it was. Where was it? Yeah, it was still here. So we had that 3-day singular inefficiency, which we didn't close below. And then we did close below this on a 2-day one, but this just gave me more like insight, more structure, more data. And I saw that wasn't even on here. It was here. I thought that was this year. That was all the way here. 6th of October. Oh, that I'm not even there yet. I'm still in September. Okay, so that's not there. But yeah, just added the 2-day chart now to give more more data from there. Yeah, yesterday, what was it? And at the session, like with a lot of trades here, a lot of break even. I think a few losses there as well. I think this was from yesterday. So took 1 loss there, 2 losses, 3 losses, then break even, 4 or 5 losses there. 1 win, was almost back at break even, but then another break even, loss, win, and then another loss. So it's going pretty sideways in September. But let's just see here. Let's just remove all drawings. And I know that this is still my drawn liquidity, which is the original consolidation. And we should be in the second stage distribution still. Yeah, this is my drawn liquidity. Then on lower time frame, this would be my low hanging fruit. It's not really a low time frame, but this would be a form of low hanging fruit. Okay, so we're trading a lower in this leg here. Let's see where the reaction was from there. 2 week, 3 week, 4 week, or 1 month, 2 months. So we do have, I don't even, no, nothing here yet. 1 week, oh my god. So we have on yes, nothing here. 3 week. Okay, so on yes, we are holding this singular 3 week abyss here. So that's also that reaction. Do create like equal lows from there. Let's look in this like here. Okay, and in the, no, not yet, wait. Also inefficiency there. Then I have nothing here. And then I think on ES again. 2-day, 3-day. Okay, so ES did close above this singular inefficiency. Oh, how much time do you spend in the charts? Like per day? I would say per day, if I'm trading, then I'm on the charts for like 1 to 4 hours. and then backtesting plus backtesting, so that would be another hour, so 5 hours. I would say like 5 hours a day. Are you doing the same exact thing every day, same strategy, same method? Yeah, everything is the same. Otherwise I can't be consistent. Like I want to have one model for and then bias for everything, model for everything. Like I'm not trading on experience. Okay, so inverse this here. This would be also low-hanging fruit. Also here as well. So we do have the inversion holding there, and then from yesterday I did know that we had this like volume, or is it not volume, but liquidity void there. And there. Also here on yes. And then we do have liquidity inside of there, which we did take. We do have an SMT, but I don't think it's gonna hold. But yeah, from here I would still be looking for longs, also holding 2-day singular inefficiency. See what we have on the ES. Also 2-day singular inefficiency. You see there. Yeah, so again, we'll be looking for longs here, like we have a big drop lower, but still we'll be looking for longs here. Wait, I haven't even checked what time this is. Wow, it's Friday. What type of positions should I look for according to current market, long or short in this afternoon session? I wouldn't even be on the charts here. Like if you, the first thing you should do before like weekly analysis, but also like for daily daily buys, you should check forexfactory.com. Check if we have any news this day. And for example, for today, if you check on Forex Factory, today we have a bank holiday. So that isn't 100%, that doesn't 100% mean that the price action is going to be bad, but the probabilities for a good price action are way lower. Like we do have a bank holiday. I'm not trading today because I'm expecting like accumulation price action, like choppy price action, even though we had a big drop. I haven't even checked the charts. Let's see actually. I saw that we had a huge bump this morning. Yeah, here. Oh wait. Okay, so we do have like a big range here, but there probably would be like a setup, but just the probabilities are lower, so you don't want to be trading that. Like it could just work today, but the next bank holiday is going to be totally opposite, and it's going to be really bad price action. Most of the time it is, and then you're just going to be like how do I say it? Like flabbergasted. I don't even know, but most of the time it's just lower probability, so don't even touch it. You could just check the data for yourself, like make your own opinion about it, but it's pretty not known, but a lot of people don't trade on bank holidays. I've been doing the same thing for 62 days and it's not working. Why not try something else? If you've been doing, it is working. That's why I'm still doing it. Let's see, trading lower. Yeah, what time is this? So skipping to the next day, 18th of September 2023. Here. Okay, so no news on Monday. Do have building permits on Tuesday, so I'll be trading the AM session. Do have FOMC this week, so it will be a major impactful news week. Thursday probably a good trading day as well. Unemployment claims. Friday also good trading day, so pretty good week. Do have FOMC this week, but Monday no news, so I'm skipping this. So looking at this, Monday probably accumulation. I'm still bullish. Tuesday manipulation, and then Wednesday can be another manipulation, maybe even taking Tuesday's low because we have FOMC. So manipulation slash distribution slash probably accumulation also. Maybe in the PM session. That depends on if you have taken the objective or not yet. I thought you said you're not profitable. I am not profitable yet, but how am I gonna get profitable if I'm not sticking to one strategy? It's just time will tell now. Let's see where you are on the charts. Like I've been trading this. I know that it works because of the data, and it's just following this strategy now and doing it in live markets, and time will pay. I'll say so. So I have sell side below here. We're pretty close to it. I'd still be looking for long. So we do have all these lows here. Again, all these highs here. Looks pretty clean here. Equal lows here. Or equal highs there. Equal lows here. Let's see, only AM trading for this session. So take the low here. Gotcha, yeah. How's your trading going, Nassim? Also trading ICT concepts? Sorry if I have asked before, but I'm pretty bad at remembering all of it, sorry. So do have an SMT at the low, but nothing yet. Let's see what we do here. They take equal lows on that. Take equal lows again. I think, wow. Do have a really small SIBI here. Literally one tick, but still would be valid if we close above. We don't. Now wait for 10 AM. I would still be looking for long, so if you just drop lower, then I'm not interested. Don't have the SMT anymore. Did take a 4-hour low, so I at least need to see like a 5-minute turtle soup. Do still have these equal lows, which look like a trend line. But yeah, bias is still bullish for me. Let's see. Are reacting off this singular FEG here. Yeah, maybe we're drawing towards this low and then have an SMT at that low. Draw optimal trade entry on here. Let's see here. So at least need to see or wait for a 5-minute turtle sweep if you do want to go higher. I think this would be it if you do draw lower. Wait, we do have an SMT there. Wouldn't be nothing here yet. Yeah, drew drop lower. Probably gonna go for that low. But yeah, I'm not interested in looking for shorts. We are holding the inversion now in the yes as well. Skipping this price action. Wow, we're accumulating a lot here. And oh yeah, this is also something that I wanted to like find more data on. This is the day before NFP or the day before FOMC. I want to see how this day is. So this was the AM session. I'm not trading the PM session. I want to see what the day before a major impactful release, news release is going to do. Okay. Doesn't look that bad. So this was basically the day here. From here. Okay, still looks alright. I'm gonna add that into Notion. What's your highest profit? What do you mean? Like my highest RR? No, I don't trade ICT. I'm just looking for trending forex pairs and enter on pullbacks on the lower time frames. Really caveman style, no confirmation, no strategy, nothing. It's been working well. If it's working for you, then of course that's then you should stick to it. It's beautiful, man. If it works for you, then it works. No AM session. Wait. Oh, yeah, this is also. But I wanted to. And that's gonna be a new one then. Day before. Major news release. Trading or no. Now I know from NFP, I'm not doing that in NFP, but it's I'm not trading the day before NFP, but is it also valid for FOMC and CPI? FOMC, okay, price action. So I want to get more data on that. Profitable day. I don't know. Maybe look something near. But I don't really care about that. Best win 2.8% with a risking 0.58%. But I don't care about my highest profit really. So that's Tuesday. Oh, I did close the forex strategy. Why did I do that? Okay, so Tuesday, no trading, and then we have FOMC this day. Let's go here. A lot of these days, when we have FOMC, statement and press conference, like my draw on liquidity, most of the time it's right, but and never get an entry in there. So yeah, 2:30, 2 a.m., 2 p.m. and 2:30 p.m. News release. And this is something also. No AM session in PM major news. No, don't trade the AM session. I've done that once, so this will be a nice backtesting session. I'm gonna backtest this AM session, but curious of how the AM session is gonna do. The dip react off optimal trade entry. Go lower, we are holding this singular SIBI here still. And then on ES as well. But yeah, I'm expecting for this to get inversed. I would still be bullish. Let's see if FOMC wants to push in those highs. I will be trading this AM session. Also look at that inversion actually. I don't know what time frame is that. 2-day I think. No, 3-day. Wow. That's really nice. Yeah, I would still be looking for longs, but is this AM session going to be bad? I'll see here. Holding the singular busy here on the 30-minute, and then we have all these lows here which we probably want to draw towards too. Maybe have an SMT from there and then actually go. But I'll see, or we'll see. Nothing here. Then also on ES 30-minute here. I don't expect it to go all the way there, but that's like a barrier from there. So crazy 9:30 opening. Let's see here. So trade into that low. Have no other news, only 2 a.m. or 2 p.m. FOMC. Nothing here yet. Equal lows here. Let's see. There's equal lows. You have a SIBI here. Nothing here yet. 2 minutes. They take equal lows on this. This would be an entry. Gonna take this. Not expecting this to be a good AM session, but yeah, it could be. Take equal lows on this here. Great equal lows there as well, but also take equal lows, close above the singular inversion of that fractal leg. And then that would be first TP. If it's yeah, it's inside of 1 and 2, and then break even is going to be at a 1 and 1. Or break even is going to be here on ES. Let's see. And that's a nice stop. Copy image. Yeah, I think it's going to be probably just going to be a rule when we have major impactful news in the PM session. So that's always FOMC, or yeah, that's always FOMC because CPI and NFP is always 8:30. Let's see here. What else there's going to be? Nothing here. They take equal lows on this. Wait, missed this. Let's go back. They trade all the way lower here. They take the equal lows of that significant range with the singular FEG. Again, go lower, tap into the singular FEG again on the 2 hour. And then we do have an SMT with that low all the way there. So yeah, we did take the equal lows of that significant range. Take equal lows on this. I think that's no trade. Do a really small IFEG here. It is a trade. ES didn't take the highs there. It's literally one tick away, so it would be a really quick break even. Don't know if it's going to be a break even, probably is, but and then break even on NQ is also here. See, yeah, that's literally already break even. And then stage of accumulation would be a target inside of 104. That would be first CP, but yeah, that's a break even. Okay, I could just let this play out. Okay, that did prevent me of getting fully stopped out, so that's good. Copy image, and this session looks pretty bad, so I think I'm just gonna make a rule when we have FOMC in the afternoon, major impactful news release, then just no trading the AM session. Let's see a few more minutes. Yeah, this is outside my kill zone. Gonna write this in my actual journal, which I do with my with pen and paper. And that's just going to be a rule when we have FOMC or just major impactful news in the afternoon. So I also consider Powell speaking as major impactful news or just a chairman. So if that is the case, then I'm not trading the AM session. So now going to the PM session, we did close above this on ES. Strong liquidity is still there. So let's go to the PM session. Brother, how much should I risk per trade in challenge phase? Are you trading top step or are you trading futures or are you trading forex? Okay, trade all the way lower here. Are holding this singular 4 hour here. And then ES still has the inversion here. I think that's CE as well. Well, yeah, that is okay. And then also we have that singular 4 hour here as well. Like everything overlapping here, but still. This would be the low hanging fruit. We didn't take a look at all these highs. That's definitely the draw on liquidity for FOMC. Singular 50 minute as well. And then I have to be careful here because FOMC is going to release soon here. You have nothing here in this range, so that would be optimal trade entry. Looks pretty bad here, but I don't think we're going to stay here for much longer. I think it's going to be pretty quick reaction. So 13.15 or 13.30 needs to trade lower. Probably into the sell side there. 13.15 did trade lower. No, this wouldn't be a trade because I have to see manipulation from there. It didn't do it, so I would wait. Taking out all these equal lows now, maybe even SMT there. 13.39, if it's 13.45, yeah, it is. Then no trading because FOMC is in 1 minute and it's there. Wow. Okay, taking out all those lows. Even going lower, we did even close below that, basically didn't even notice. See how big this wick is. I'd still be looking for bullish prices, so that's why I'm trying out this wick here. Yeah, let's see. Look at all these equal highs. Wow. We do have what is it? FOMC meeting minutes at 2:30 as well. Let's see if we're gonna totally inverse this leg right away. Accumulate there. Again, 14:30 news again, which is here. And then I can be looking for longs if we do get a manipulation lower. Which we did take equal lows. Okay, so this is a trade, 14.43. See if that last hour is gonna pump prices up still. I have the inversion here. Did I even mark out the wick? I think I didn't even. Which on the 12 hour. Wait, did I? No, I didn't. Okay, so they react off CE there as well. They trade like a lot lower, but for me that's CE. Place order. 58. Market execution. Stop second lowest candle. We did take equal lows. This is break even. It's 1-1, so that would be a 1 or a 1.1. So that's break even. Or break even here on yes with those equal highs. Yeah, so that would be break even, and then draw liquidity is all the way to buy it up there with all these equal highs here. So let's see. Take equal lows. Yeah, looks like a really good setup. And then 1-1, I don't know where it was, but it's somewhere higher there. Okay, so straight loss there. And I think that's going to be the day already, because that's outside my kill zone. So not into the upside this day. Place in there. Literally equalize there as well. See if that last hour of trading one's going to do anything. Trade even lower. Okay. So go to the next day. Oh shit. Did I do it twice? Shit. Oh no, I didn't. Okay. Wow. What a drop. Okay, so no bullish prices here. Trade all the way lower. What a drop. Yeah, I'm not looking for shorts in a bullish trending market. and also this is all telling me bullish prices. Okay, so it looks pretty obvious that we want to go to these lows now. Also create equal lows on this, which would be internal, but I don't think we're going to take internal and then leave that. I think we want to go lower there. So do we have liquidity inside of that singular FEG still? That's probably going to be the target, so I'll be looking for shorts here now. And also we did inverse all the way here, so that's like a barrier as well. We did already inverse this on NQ, but now we trade lower, or yes, and now we trade below it again, so this would again be a reclaimed CB. Yeah, let's see, so I'll be looking for shorts here now. See what we're holding. Singular 2 hour here. And on ES, it's a singular 2 hour as well. Holding the CE of it still. NQ did close above it, but oh wait, that's actually not a singular one. NQ doesn't even have. Wait, yes, also what? So that would be the range here. Yeah, literally looking at structure here then. They take all these equalize here. And now close below, or not close below yet. Then we have this 30-minute and then this trend line here. So that would be sell side there as well. And let's see here. So hopefully we trade a bit higher and then I can look for shorts. This is Friday. I don't know what news there was. 9:45 news, so I at least have to wait for that. Let's see. Okay, so trades instantly into the sell side there, which is unfortunate, but doesn't matter. So that's 9:45. I would still be looking for shorts. We'd wait for 10 AM now. One more. Okay, so that's 10 AM opening. Oh, I got this new mouse pad and my my precision with my mouse cursor is just off. Take equalize on this. This is also something I want to backtest. Okay, I have nothing here, so no inversion, no trade. Trade all the way higher. Did we do anything? We did take equal lows. We did close below here. Okay, gonna take this. Go back. Didn't expect this, so that's why I just skipped it that fast. Yeah. Okay, we do have a singular inversion here. Taking out these equalize. Again, lowers this liquidity. It's this all. So this would be break even, and that's beyond the 1-1. I can already tell. So it's going to be a 1-1 break even. First TP is going to be at least a 1 or 2, which is let's actually see. That would be first TP, or actually this would be first TP. Yeah. Okay, let's see here. And break even was at that 1-1. So that's a break even already. And then yeah, this is because we have an imbalance here that isn't totally filled here. So this would be my first target. It is a 1.6 RR, so that would be at least 1 or 2. And then yeah, either that gets hit or my break even. So yeah, that's a break even trade, and did prevent me of getting fully stopped out. So yeah, this did get hit, but yeah, I need at least a 1 or 2. So that wouldn't be anything for me. Paste it in here. Still be looking for shorts. They take out the high here. Let's see here. Take equalize on this. No inversion, no trade. Take equalize on this. 2 minutes. Singular 2 minute here. Okay, did we take this high? No, we didn't. So that would be this inversion still. Nice. And then break even would be at here. And this looks like a pretty bullish leg, but I would still be looking for shorts because of that brief time frame bias. Place order. This would be a first EP. It's a 0.46 RR. And it's going to be at least a 1 or 2. Because I would be even more bearish, like these are the next targets. So that's why. Let's see here. So yes, also didn't hit this yet. So no break even yet. Still waiting. And that's the stop. Wow, crazy. September. This price action is harsh for me. So that'll be the inversion. Paste this. I'm on like a, again, like a big losing streak, I think. Paste in here. Let's check. I think I start here. 1 loss, 2 losses, 3 losses, break even, 5 losses. Wow, again back there. Crazy. Okay. So now next is gonna be the PM session. This was the right time, right? I have yeah, 11:08. So that would still be in my kill zone. So again, unfortunate. Yeah, I'll still be looking for shorts here. Like this looks still very bearish. Yeah, just couldn't get it. Unfortunate. Does losing a lot and having a high break-even rate have a knock-on effect on your psychology? But yeah, it does. Like it's pretty annoying if you see you getting break-even and then price running to your TP, because that happens sometimes. But if I can control that, like literally all I have to do if that happens is not to touch the charts again or not press the button again for me to begin a trade. It's literally waiting on the next vetted setup, and if I can't do that, then trading shouldn't be for me. But I am like, it still sucks of course when that happens, but yeah, I am able to not do anything stupid if that happens. Yeah, of course, yeah. I have nothing here. Well, a drop here, but have literally nothing here to go react off of. Would still be looking at structure here. Do have, no, we even don't know. Do have this 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 4 minutes, 3 minutes. Let's see on yes. Okay, yes, did have this 5 minutes or 15 minutes. If you did close below, so first swing low is going to be the target. That's my bias now. Sell side would be looking for shorts here. Well said. Thank you, man. Yeah, it's literally the only thing I have to do. Like, not do anything stupid. And I've made it like, if I get break even, like, rules are rules. Like, there are rules for a reason. If I get stopped on a trade and then it actually goes to TP, like, I have my stop loss there for a reason. Like, if it stops me out there, then I know, okay, this trade, it can still be valid. But if my setup doesn't form, then after that stop out, then it's not my setup again. So if it stops me out and then goes to TP, well, that's fine as well. Like, I know from, like, I know on the, like, on the long term, if that happens, most of those setups happen again. Like, I know that just being stopped out there and not taking anything stupid, like, that's going to be more profitable than taking a revenge trade and then that failing again. Like, that's also a thing. Like, literally all I have to do is just not do anything stupid, and that's it. Again, take those lows. Like, literally my model is like almost mechanical, like it's almost 100% mechanical, so literally no emotions involved. But of course there are trades which can give some emotions, but just not acting on those emotions, and that's literally the only thing. With some other people, their strategies, or it's just trading off of experience as well. Like, oh, that shouldn't have happened, let me jump back into the trade because I think it's still there. For me, if it's not my setup didn't form, then it's no trade. And for other people, maybe, oh, I think it's still valid, but I just know that the market can do anything it wants. And if my setup didn't work, then it's totally fine. Like, don't do anything stupid, don't enter anymore. If I just see a setup again, draw liquidity is still there, then it's a valid setup. But this is my setup, still in the right time as well. Closure below here, stop second highest candle. This would be break even. See how the price action is going to be. It's actually like a really this price action is really harsh on me. Let's see, this would be first TP, which is a 1 or 2 at least. That would be first TP, and then second TP is going to be at the low there, which is going to be, I think, yeah, or yes, hits this. Let's see here. And that's another stop. Like for your example, this is probably going to hit the TP, yeah. So this here, like that's just another stop run, but this would be harsh in the live markets, but I know like not do anything stupid, because if I just follow this, like there are profitable trades which will get me back to where I was, and if I do anything stupid, that's just another loss, probably another loss, and then yeah, don't want to be in that. But let's see if there actually was another step after that stop out. No SMT at the high. Did fail to close above the high. What time is this? No entry there. What was this? Closure below 13.59. Then it would be on this candle. But that would be another break even. Yeah, okay. So copy image. And yeah, drawn liquidity is still there, but I don't think there's going to be another setup. We did take it on ES. That's already one low there, and then it'd still be that low. But let's see if it's gonna form here. Let's see, still have some time left. Nothing here yet. Did take equal highs on this, did we? Yeah, we did, okay. So this one other setup. Draw would still be lower. Wait, did I take 2 losses today? Or 1? I think I took 1. If I already took 2, then it wouldn't be a trade anymore, because then I'd skip today. Oh no, it was a break even, of course. Oh no, wait, what? Took 1 trade there. I think it was 1 break even, 1 loss. So still, our trade's still possible. Draw is still lower. I do have an inefficiency, so this would be break even. Let's see here. Stop second highest candle, which should have been there. Doesn't really matter. Like this would be normally 0.85 risk. Now it's just 0.6. I don't really care about that. About those percentages. That would be break even. It's really tight, but draw is still lower, which is all the way there. This would be first EP, which at least needs to be a 1 and 2. So that would be a 1 and 2 first EP. And yeah, let's see here. And that, oh shit, that should have already been a break-even trade, and it did prevent me of getting fully subbed out, so that's good. And that'll be it for this trading day. But yeah, wow, really unfortunate price action for me. Not going well. Really not going well this September. I think it's even down. Yeah, that's slowly like minus 2%. That's really light, I would say. Like a losing month happens, of course. It's Friday. Let's go to Monday. No news there. Tuesday. This is Tuesday, right? Yeah. Have consumer confidence. Wednesday only AM trading. Thursday would be a good day. We do have Powell speaking this week, so I see that as major news. And the drawn liquidity was correct, which was the low there, which we did take, and now we're holding also the busy there. We do have an SMT at the low, so I think pretty close to somewhere here is going to be the low. So I just need to see really bullish price action actually. See where we are in the charts. This would be the low hanging fruit. Let's see. 30 minutes would be the senior FEG. We did close below it. Let's see what we have on the SN. Also close below it. And then we did have the like a bigger wick here. But since we like created equal lows here, then this should be the low, which I'm not expecting for it to be the low. So I would be looking for shorts here. They're pretty clean highs up there, but I would be looking for shorts. Does need to trade higher for me. Need to take equal highs there. Wait, what news do we have? 10 AM consumer confidence. What time is this? 9:40. Didn't close below yet. We did now after taking the equal highs. Still in the right time. 50 minutes before news. I'm not able. We're not able. I can't enter because of my rules. Now I can. Or I still can. It's 9:41. So break even is going to be at 101. Or yes, it's this. Let's see. That's a break even. 1 and 2 would be first EP. And then draw was, where was it? That would be first EP. Or no? 1 and 2 would be first EP. Wait, I'm actually, what am I saying? Yeah, this would be first EP. What? How am I so confused? Yeah. And then what was the bigger time frame draw? It's just that low. So here. Or here. Let's see here. And then I'm still bullish, so this would be full TP. Like there's no other draw for me. Let's see. Either break even, or TP gets hit, which it did, which is good. Version here, nice trade there, copy image. I should have both these open because that just takes a long time. Here. And here. Okay, nice. Now both open. Okay. So yeah, I would be bullish still. We did take the low now. We do have another SMT. But we do have the bigger time frame SMT as well. I was just bearish until that low, so I would be looking for longs again. But yeah, we did take out a 4-hour low, so I at least need to see a 4 hour, a 5-minute turtle soup, which is just a swing low and then another swing low taken, or we create structure and then take that. But let's see. Don't care about that anymore. Let's see. Trade all the way lower. I'm not interested in shorts. Nothing here yet. It is probably outside my kill zone. Do have like the SMT now, so that would be the turtle soup, but this is outside my kill zone. Let's go to the PM. Or wait, was there actually? Yeah, it's also PM trading this day, so let's go to the PM. So we do have like that turtle soup for me. Oh wait, what? Yeah, but this was already turtle soup, so not an SMT anymore, but still would be the turtle soup. This would be like a low hanging fruit objective. Low hanging fruit as well. Let's see here. 1315 or 1330 needs to trade lower for me. Let's see. Does trade lower, but I have to take like equal lows, which we did. Take one low, but that nothing yet. Trade all the way lower into these lows again. Still not interested in shorts. Nothing here yet. Still look for longs. What's your model? It's the inversion model, man. I don't know if you, or inversion for value gap. I don't know if you, do you trade ICT concepts? Okay, stick equal lows on this. Close above, yeah. Just keep on dropping lower. I'm not interested in shorts. So this would be the whole day, or skipping the whole day. Then Wednesday, it's only AM trading. Let's go to the next day. So we still have the SMT from these lows are in the bigger time frame imbalance. So it's still look for longs, and then we do have like these equalize here. Which is my drawn liquidity. See where we are in this leg here. Do a singular pissy here. Yeah, we do. And then on ES, from swing low to swing high, we have only this here. Oh wait, we have another pissy there as well. And this would be the swing low of that range. So we did tap equilibrium. Didn't tap optimal trade entry yet, but it isn't really necessary. Okay. And then yeah, okay. Let's see here. Did take out these equal lows on this 830. This would be my low hanging fruit. Equalize there as well. Let's see if you can still trade a bit lower before you go there. Okay, we do. We take out equal lows on that as well. We don't have anything here. Okay, so drawn liquidity was taken there. Or like the low hanging fruit. Still be looking for longs. Nothing here yet. Yes, is going for the low probably. And then NQ just tapped into that inefficiency. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Do have an SMT at the low now of that significant range. And then we do have the singular 1 hour here, which we did close below, but we can expect it maybe to use as a reclaim busy from there. This would be the low hanging fruit now. Low hanging fruit would be here on yes. 3 minutes. Okay. Do a singular 3-minute inversion here, which we did close above now after taking the equal low. So this is this could already be the trade. It's gonna be the trade. Really big stop, but it's gonna be break even is gonna be at this high, and it's gonna be pretty big TP probably. Which will be a stage of accumulation in this market maker buy model. So first TP is going to be here, which is still in 1 and 2, and then final TP is going to be there. Let's see what we do here. Yeah, so break even at the high, and yeah, let's see. And that's a stop. Unfortunate. This month is crazy for me. Wow. Break even there, so 1 loss on the day, can take another one. And that would be 2 losses on a day, so max 2 losses on a day. They close below that now. Do have an SMT there now at the low. But I would go to the PM session, or actually, it's only the AM session trading, I think it was. Yeah, so next day, Thursday. Next day opening. So still chopping around here, crazy. Nothing to the upside. I would still be looking for longs, even though we took the low there now as well. Yeah, we're holding this 1 what is it? Singular 3 week, 2 week. Oh, 3 week. We're still holding this singular 3 week busy here. Sensitive points. Gonna be the high, cost encroachment and the low. So I'd still be looking for longs here. Look where we are. Even though because of this huge drop lower, like, yeah, maybe we're slower than usual, but still be looking for longs here. Okay, we do have all these clean highs here. I think this is gonna be the day where we finally get something to the upside. Let's have a singular 1 hour here. Let's look here on yes, also singular 1 hour. Here on yes, which we're also holding. We do have an SMT at the low. Let's see what news this is gonna be. Thursday. Oh wait, we do have Powell speaking, but this is after market basically closes. This has no impact for me there. This is like a normal trading day. We have high impact for the news there as well. We did just take equal lows. We do have an inversion here. Break even would be here, so that's no trade. Not in here yet. I'm looking for long still. Take equal lows on this. Do have the inversion on yes, but not on Q. Oh, actually, do have the inversion here, but that would be break even at this high. But let's see if we come above it. We do. Stop second lowest candle off the sweep. This is break even, or actually this is break even. Yes, it is. And then, or here on yes. So that's your break even, and then first CP has to be at least a 1 or 2. We have no stages of accumulation here, has to be at least a 1 minute there. So this is at least a 1 or 2. So that would be first TP, and then second TP is going to be at the high, which is going to be full TP if we even get there. But let's see. So yeah, break even at this high. Let's see here. Let's break even. First CP is this. Let's see. Or no, it's the same high on ES. Okay, let's see. And not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Okay, so that's a break even. A really unfortunate break even. Crazy price action, but it is what it is. In real markets it would be insane, but just closing the charts, that would do it. Yeah, crazy. Wow. Wow. They prevent me of taking a loss. Okay. Was there another entry after that stop? Okay, we did aim first. Okay, that would be another entry, so I'm going back to that. But I am marking this out. Copy image. That was 2.3 RR first CP. Top. Okay, so the RR would be worse, but still be a winner. Paste it in there. So trade lower. Still have to draw on there. I'm going back for this here. 2 minute, close above on this. So 2 minutes. This is the inversion. And this would be the first swing high. Oh, yeah, okay. So break-even would be at least a 1 to 1. 1, 2. So we sweep equal lows on this one singular candle. Going back to the 1 hour. Stop a second lowest candle. This would be first CP, but it's a 1 to 1. So that would be at least a 1 or 2. Oh, and this would be the 1 or 2.1. So that would be first CP. Or actually, it would be the 1 or 2. And then my draw is even higher. So 1 or 2 would be first CP. And then second full TP is probably going to be all the way until the highs here. This is a crazy run, but I'm kind of expecting it. Let's see here. So I know that this was at least a win here. RR is worse than the previous one, but let's see. That was already break even. Let's remove this. 1-1 is break even because this is beyond the 1-1. 1-1 are break even. Top. And our first EP is what? At the 1-2 because this would be my first EP, but because it's not a 1-2, be first EP at 1-2. Let's see. Or it's gonna be break even. I don't even know if this is gonna be break even. Okay. Yeah, nice. That would be 75% off there at the 1-2. And a full TP is gonna be all the way up there. Let's see. Move this. And ES has those highs all the way there, so I think NQ is going to be there quicker. So either break even or TP or market closes. Let's see. Yo, Marcus, I've set alerts for your lives now. Wow, nice, man. My bad for being late, but we have no no responsibilities here, man. What's up, Paul? How are you doing? How you doing, Marcus? How you doing, how you doing, Paul? Let's see. So, oh shit. Skip this too soon. I don't know why it does that to the 15-minute. Full TP would be at the 15:08, which is 15:08 to 15:10. That'd be here. Oh, that, yeah, nice. That'll be 100% there. So extend this through. 15:08 full TP, which is at a 1-3. Or actually, wait. Was that beyond the 1-10 actually? Oh, that definitely wasn't. Okay, no. Let's see. Which was the 2.96 RR. And then draw is even higher, so let's just extend this so I know what the trade was. Yeah, nice. Copy image. Oh wait, this shouldn't have been in here. Delete this actually. It should be in here. Still testing the IFG. Yeah, it's just like there are a few more things I want to test, which is I literally just made this a rule. I'm gonna almost forgot this. What though? Write this in journal. So yeah, was looking for this to make this a rule. And yeah, I wanted to see it one more time happen. And now I'm not trading the AM session when there's PM session major news. So FOMC, like it's only FOMC probably, or Powell speaking, if Powell is inside of the market hours. So let's say like a 1 p.m. Powell is speaking or a chairman is speaking. Then I'm not trading the AM session. But yeah, CPI and NFP are always 8:30. So it's just only for FOMC and Powell speaking basically. But yeah, I have to write this in my journal with pen and paper. And then I kind of want to backtest this as well. Like this was like a forced IFEG. Like if I can find something like, let's say, let's actually see. Let's say if there wasn't a inefficiency here. And on a 2-minute there also wasn't one. But on the 3-minute there was a one. Then I would want to trade the 3-minute as well and see if that works, but I don't think I'm gonna actually put that in, but that's something I want to backtest as well. It's just not trading, it's not changing the strategy, but it's just giving more like variations. And then this is something I want to backtest as well, day before major impactful news. So I already made this a rule for NFP. I'm not trading the day before. And then now I want to backtest it. Like, does that same thing apply for FOMC or CPI or Powell speaking as well? Because I see Powell speaking as major as well, or a chairman speaking. So yeah, I want to backtest that as well. They should only the FOMC, but yeah, that's what I'm. And then also the data, getting more comfortable with my setups, and yeah, doing that. Yeah, next day, which would be Friday. Oh, look at that reaction of the 1 hour there. But finally get that reaction to the upside, and then this was my draw on liquidity, but I think we're just gonna take that at market open. But yeah, that is my only draw on liquidity, probably like a retracement after that high. But next draw on liquidity would be a stage of accumulation in this market maker buy model, which would be which would be next TP or next draw on liquidity would be that high. I'm not expecting for it to instantly draw into there, but that would be where I want to trade towards too. So yeah, only those two now. Finally you have what I was waiting for, which is good. Is live trading not more your time? Is live trading not more your time than backtest? What do you mean? Is live trading not more your time? What do you mean with the question? Is live trading not better than backtesting? Yeah, it's or to learn, you mean? Like if you don't have a model, like I do have a model, yes, but if you don't even have a model, then I don't think the live trading is going to be the best for you. I think backtesting a model first, getting data on that, and then getting familiar with your setup is like maybe the first better thing to do than actually trading into the live markets. Because if you're trading it into the live markets and you get some lucky trades, let's say you take 10 trades and you've taken like 8 winners out of that, that's maybe a crazy result, but let's say you do, like, you're probably not even want to go backtest and you think that your strategy is like the best strategy ever, and then you recognize market conditions, like not every month, not every year is the same, and then suddenly you got hit with I'm saying something like a 10 losing streak. Like, I think you want to get familiar with your setup, and I think backtesting is just the best way to do that. How long have you been trading? I've been trading for 1 year and 5 months now. And ICT concepts, it's like at least a year. Let's see. Friday 10 a.m. news, and then also 9:45. Okay, no, only 10 a.m. news. So take equal lows on that, nothing here. 9:41, this is 9:45, so I wouldn't have taken any trades after that because I have to wait for news. Draw liquidity has been taken, or like low hanging fruit. One more, that's news. Not really a lot. And then next draw liquidity is, we did take the highs now. Next draw liquidity is going to be all the way there. Which this would be a market maker buy model in its own. Yeah, not even clear, but if this was a market maker buy model in its own, I would still, no, then I would take like partials here, but because this isn't the fractal market maker buy model, I would just want to have a clean one. Like this would be a regular consolidation, consolidation 1, consolidation 2, smart money reversal, lowest buy, all those things. So this would be the first next stage of accumulation, which would be my target. So we did trade lower in the range. There, nothing here. Okay, now look at structure. So that's 10 a.m. opening. Let's see, still looking for us to go lower and then higher again. Take equal lows. We do have a SIBI here. Wait, do we? Yeah, one take SIBI. Didn't close above it yet. Okay, trade lower, so no inversion, no setup. My take is this. Your model will not work every time. Means also you need to collect data in live markets. Yeah, but this is like I know that it works in live markets as well. Like, I've seen it before, I've traded it before, but now it's just recognizing like all the market conditions. Like, it can be working also in maybe 1 year, but I want to trade like every year. Like, yeah, some year can be really, really bullish, some year can be really, really bearish, some year it can be like really bad price action also for months, like time was fractal or time price is fractal. But yeah, I would just want to backtest as much data as possible for also like you can be trading, like, I know that December and August are really bad price action now. I also knew that a bit before, but I know because I traded it myself. If you're just gonna get into trading, you have a model and you only traded like 2024 August 2024 and December 2024, and your model works perfectly there in December and August, but the next year, because most of the time next year is pretty bad, and then next year you will be like making like negative results, like you will be down in a month, and in the month in drawdown, and you will get surprised out of there, and you have like no, how do I say, like no precautions, I can say, like you have no rules like, oh, I know that August is like a worse month, let me reduce my risk this month, or like you have nothing with that. If you haven't backtested, if you haven't seen all the data, if you have been trading for multiple years and you have done that in the live market, then I would say like of course you don't need data because you have seen it all. But I would like, it makes the most sense for me. Like you want to see all the years, how like not all the same months. You only have 12 months in 1 year. You need to at least have seen those months at least like a couple times. You can't just trade it once and then it's going to be that every year. No, I wouldn't say that you ever change strategy. Just adapt it over time, implement things with increased data, also be aware of the current market condition, what you've been learned. Yeah, it's just yeah, like small, it's not changing the strategy, it's just like making it better, how you can prevent more losses, how can you like changing your stop, that's like really big, changing your TP is really big, like that's like big changes. But just like, okay, if this happens, then I know that most of the time when all of this happens, then there could be more times than not that could be a loss, and then cut out all of those trades, and then you like lose less. The thing is, more you are in the past, if you would be more fundamental wise approach, I will understand that, but collecting data from the past to think you know the future is unlikely. Of course, like the market can do anything it wants, but you just want to have you want to have data behind it. You want to be confident in your strategy. You want to have you want to know, like, okay, if this happens, like that's totally okay. I've seen it before. I take a loss on this, totally fine. But you want to be, market are changing with the news every day. Yeah, but still, the setups do appear again. Are you saying that the setups from 1 year ago don't work in current market, or? Because that definitely isn't the case. Otherwise, if that was the case, then trading wasn't even a thing. 1029. Yeah. Sorry for the distraction. So we do have the low here of that significant range. We do have the busy here, nothing on the edge. So maybe you want to trade in that low and then actually go higher. Still be looking for long. So let's see. Take equal lows on this. No inversion. Let's see if they're like. Is this one? No, that isn't one. You can have success with backtesting, but without. But for a lot of people, it helps with their psychology and makes them confident in trades. Yeah, yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's more like you need to adapt yourself. What do you mean? Nothing here yet. Would wait. Nothing again. Took equal lows now. Take one low. Okay, we do have the equal lows taken on here. Still in the right time as well. Have an SMT there. Still we have the sell set there that we haven't taken, but setup data up here. So inversion here. Let's see. But yeah, for me it's now just collecting as much data as possible and then putting it in a database. And then a few times a month, I'm checking on the data and looking on any things that I can improve with it. That's that's my biggest goal with the backtesting now, and also just just have the confidence. Like, if I also wouldn't have been backtesting, like with the setups I'm taking in the live markets, I wouldn't have the confidence with it that I have because of the backtesting. I do backtest, but main focus is more live trading. I was over 100k funded. Below it all, set it as learning experience. Yeah, that's also something like I do want to prevent. Like, I made my strategy fully because of all the backtesting data. Like, I've seen what works and what doesn't, and I want to take and that's what I did. I made my model like my strategy, I made it as mechanically as possible, so there can be the least emotions involved. Because if I would be trading a strategy, but sometimes I take it like experience, like okay, I've seen from my experience that sometimes this works and sometimes it doesn't. I want to have actual data behind it, and have it as mechanical as possible, so there's no emotions involved. So if that happens, then I take the trade. If that happens, I don't take the trade. If that happens, I take TP. If that happens, I go break even. Like, just rules, and then there wouldn't be any emotions involved. So like, oh, I want to make a bit more profit here. Oh, I could just let it run a bit more, but just actual rules, like do this, do that. And I think that will be the most future-proof as possible. Like, for the future, like it's just trading the strategy, like a robot could do it. The main focus is always live markets, but it doesn't lie, although adapting is essential, of course. Yeah, my strategy was made 100% on live markets, and forward testing has proven more profitability than it's crazy. Some people who online trade trend lines and support resistance are profitable. Yeah, it is. Yeah, every strategy works, but just it's all personal. Like, some people would just like, there are some people that trade just on experience. It works for them. If it does, that's perfect. Like, everyone is different, of course. My backtesting, so it shows I'm adapting to current market. My psychology completely changed in my backtesting. As soon as I backtest, I put my feet up too much. I love the feeling of managing real risk. It makes me laser focused on the markets. This already tells me is your live market experience that is key. This already tells me is your live market experience that is the key to success. What do you mean? But that'll be break even. Let's see. Okay, another loss on this. Crazy. Copy image. Oh. Wait. Paul, no trades today. Sorry, I almost missed your question. That'll be here. 100%. My live market experience is my success. But I can tell for this dude, it's helping him a lot, and 2 rounds helping for me. Not too. That's great, man. Like, honestly, that's how cool is that? Take equals on this now. Oh, that'll be the NARS setup, I think. 1 more minute. Take equals. That'll be break even, which you did take on yes, so no setup. Nothing here. Now trade lower. Oh, this is outside my kill zone anyway. Go to the PM session. Okay, draw was entirely wrong here. See if there's still anything to the upside here. Do have a singular 8 hour here. Uh, 2 hour. Okay, we did have this 4 hour here. Probably have big wicks here. I would still be looking for longs. Honestly, don't expect for it to run all the way lower to those lows here. So we do have this big wick here. Oh. Are you on his Discord? Yeah, join the Discord if you want. I meant, like, I know a French guy who flipped 5k to 100k using trend lines to support resistance. This tells me, bro, live market experience backtest is good, but more focus on live chart. Yeah, of course, but like, I'm not looking at 5k to 100k. That sounds really nice, but can he do that? Like, that can be consistent. Like, I want to make this like my actual job. Like, I want to be in this for 10 years plus. Like, can he do that for 10 years plus? And then sometimes I probably will happen for him. Like, he'll be up 90k if his goal is 100k, and then he totally fails that. Like, I want to be it, like, I want to have it like actual consistency. Like, in 10 years, this could all just be the same thing, and still from there work. Like, just all rules, following the rules for 10 years. Like, no experience, no emotions, just all the strategy, and just do that. Of course, I'm also trading a live market, but for me, this is really important to get all this data, to get confidence with it. Like, I know exactly what to do when that and that happens. Like, that's something for me that I just need that. And yeah, of course, that could work for him. Maybe for him, I'm not blaming him, or like, I don't know how to say that, but of course it can work for him. If it works for him in 10 years still, like, it can do that consistently, then that, of course. But for me, I just know that I know from the market conditions, like I couldn't be the market, like I could think like I'm the market maker. I'm the best at trading the markets because I could be on a crazy winning streak. And then another month or maybe the next year, it's just totally off and I'm down. And because I have had that before. Bro, I see what you're thinking in your head. The market is uncertain. That's the crazy part. Yeah, it's just the market can do anything it wants. And I just want to have like, okay, the market is not doing what I wanted to do, but still I know my strategy will work in the end. I'm still struggling with that, but I accept it more and more every day. The market is uncertain. Just do, yeah, 5k to 100k. Let's see. Nothing here. Would still wait for a manipulation lower. We do have an SMT there. Nothing here. Oh shit. That probably would be a break-even trade because this would be the entry. Yeah, that's already break-even. So take these equal lows here. Would be a 3-minute. Still would expect a reaction. We're on this rejection block here. We do have all the highs up here, which literally are don't look like low resistance still, but still that would be my draw. Trade above this. FD inversion here. This would be the entry. Stop on the second lowest candle of the sweep. Equal lows on this. Break-even would be at a 101 here. Place trade. Let's see here. Still in September, yeah. Okay, let's see. Where was it? At this high, right? Oh no, 1-1. Oh wow. Okay. Crazy. Skip this entire day. Yeah, this backtesting session is crazy for me. Let's see. I saw his live random on my feed. Oh, me. I can't lie, bro. No one would ever get consistent in doing that. How long did it take to do it? The Quayo is right. Let's see. This is actually crazy. September is the worst month for me yet. It's not even that much of drawdown. Like, I do not know. Like, big traders are saying like, yeah, sometimes I get like so much return, but also so much drawdown. This isn't even that much. I shouldn't even be complaining. But yeah, like a break-even month, just probably gonna be a small drawdown month, but it's honestly not even that bad. Friday, I think that's the month. Yeah, okay. So September is now closed, and still be looking for longs here even after this huge drop. Bro, this guy's same age as me. Bro, that's crazy. Well, what age are you? Sorry, didn't even know. Do you have 50 minutes to be here, senior one? Wait, do we have even... Yeah, we do have news. At 10. Tuesday jolts. NFP week, okay. So it'd still be looking for longs here. Do have the range here. Bro, 20. What age you do with flipping file? Yeah, let me hear the details here as well. Like, how does he do it? Like, does he trade an actual strategy, or did he use his actual strategy to flip that and then just full leverage, or did he just okay, so trade lower from or higher from here, no manipulation lower. This okay, what a push. Maybe finally the displacement which I was looking for. This is gonna hold. Take equal lows on this though. Nothing yet. 10 AM news. Don't have to forget that. Here. There. And there. Bro, for a 20-year-old to flip. That's, yeah, it is crazy. Oh yeah, trendline and support. Nice, man. Yeah, that's crazy. But how long did it take for him? Would wait here. Still nothing yet. Nothing here yet either. Oh wait, actually, that would be a break-even trade on this here. Didn't even see, but I'm not tracking the break-even again if I know that was break-even there. Looking at this, if we do close above, one more. Okay, so they close above after taking all these equal lows, which looks really good actually. And it's a new month. Maybe this is going to be better price action for me. The inversion here. Stop second low scan off the sweep. Should be here. Pretty tight stop there. Place order. So break even is going to be at what is it? 101. Let's see. First CP is going to be at what R is this? 1.9. So this would be a first 1 and 2 TP. Okay, let's see here. It would be 2 minutes. And then yeah, break even was at a 1-1. I don't really know, but I'll see. Pretty close to stop there. Was that already 1-1? No, not yet. Still would wait, and that would be the break even. Now I would wait for the TP or break even. So that's TP. That's very good. Hopefully I can get the TP taken off somewhere there. Yeah, so 75% off here at the 1 and 2. And this is my draw liquidity, which also would be my full TP. Yeah, let's see. Which is a 1 and 3. So either break even, TP, or market closes. So let's see. And that's a break even. But beautiful. And that's also the reason why I don't just fully hold on to there, but still we should have hit that actually. But yeah, market can do anything at once. So yeah, pretty good trade. 1 and 2. That's crazy, but it is what it is. Like what risk did he do? Did he leverage? Was it props? Was it over a year or a week? That is true to he did a podcast. Copy image. Paste in here. Skipping to the PM session. Again, drop all the way lower, which I was not expecting for it to do. We do have the rejection block, constant encroachment, which we are in now. That could again give the really bullish reaction. Also synchro on NQ. I'll still be looking for longs if equalize up here. See what we want to do. 1350 needs to manipulate lower, which it didn't yet. Or 1330. Did take equal lows now. We do have a SIBI there. Okay, we did close above this. After taking, I think actually, took one low on this. Yeah, we did take equal lows on yes. And then this is the closure above. That would be break even, which is really tight. Actually, let's see if it's even valid. Yeah, it is. Okay. So that would be a break even, which is probably gonna be a break even. Or no. Nice. Okay, that would be the break even. So all low resistance. Break even there or break even here. Once ES hits that, and then first CP is going to be a stage of accumulation, which is not in here. So first CP would be here, but that's beyond the 104, so it would be a 102 first CP. Let's see here. Wait, already took a W on the day. But yeah, I'm gonna do this one as well. Let's see. Okay, so that's a stop, and that would have been TP. Crazy, but it is what it is. Was there another setup after the stop? Took one low. They take equal lows, and then this would be the inversion. So yeah, nothing here, really unfortunate. But it is what it is. So inversion would be there. Place in here. What pair do you trade? Which year's IC mentorship did you watch? I watched all of them, which is definitely not necessary. But yeah, almost watched all of them. Except the, I'm not watching the 2024, I only watched like a few, but now already watching it. Are you also getting into ICT? I have nothing here. Do we even have? Yeah, okay. Wait, what? Yeah. Still be looking for longs here, which you probably won't get. Do have all these equal lows here, which we did take. But there's no singular inversion. I think this is going to be nothing here. Yeah, it's going to be nothing here for me. What's there here though? Wait, I already took 2 trades. 1 loss, 1 win. Skip this day. Which is next day, it's gonna be Tuesday. I'm gonna do this week, only these days, and then I'm gonna end the backtesting. CE was the reaction there. Again, we tap into it. We can go higher. We are holding singular FEG on NQ, which would be the 2 hour here. Wait, we did close below it actually. Doing SMT there though. So I have to see what this price action is going to do. 10 AM jolts openings. Job openings, sorry. I have to wait for that at least now. 1, 2. Nice, that's good. Because I'm looking for higher prices still. Taking all these equal lows. Trade lower though. If you trade NQ 2024 mentorship will change everything for you. Yeah, I watched a few videos, but like I've seen a few things that just will change my entire strategy. I've seen the 930 first representation FEG. I have seen the new PD array that he introduced, which was it the gray box? The gray? No, what was it? Gray something gray. But that's just like I found my model. I'm sticking to my model. I don't need any new information. There are probably some things I can add maybe in the future, like just small things, but just the first representation for wake up, I don't need it. Love your consistency. Thank you, man. Thank you. What did you really like about the 2024 mentorship? Probably the, like, I know that the 930 first representation for wake up, I've seen that work a couple of times now. I think that's really strong, but it's not for me, but probably that maybe. Trade all the way lower, take the low now of this significant range. We're holding the BISI here on NQ as well, so this could be the point where we actually want to reverse. or it's going to be the day after this, but I'm really bullish here now, but only prices tell me that. I have nothing here, still inside kills or no, but let's see here. Is there anything here? No, nothing here. Let's wait for a lot more structure. It's going to be outside my kill zone. If we're just going to go lower, I'm not interested. Go to the PM session. Okay, didn't really trade higher from here. Still are holding the singular busy. Again, have the SMT there. Are holding the singular busy here as well on the bear time frame, which is like a 3-day one. And then in Q, let's see reaction here. Probably optimal trade entry, and we do have the wick there as well. Let's see here. Do have all these lows here. Literally just a trend line. So probably that's where we want to go first. I'll mark that out. Let's see here. Okay, take all these lows. See if you want to get any reaction. 3 minutes. We do have a no, we don't. Okay, so we wait for a lot more structure here as well. Probably nothing for me here. Just keep on going lower. There's just nothing for me here. That's crazy. Nothing here. I think this is gonna be the whole session. Like I'm not taking this. I think maybe there could have been like a trade here, but honestly, I would just close the charts here. That's not for me. Because the choppy price action going lower, like all these weeks, it is a major impactful news week because we have Paul speaking on Monday, even though we already did, and we have NFP by the way. So if I see choppy price action is not going in my direction, I'm just skipping the whole session. But wanted to see what we actually do the rest of the session. Nothing really. Wednesday, ADP, NFP, and then I'm not trading Thursday, this is the day after. Finally get something to the upside. We did create equal lows with this, which is crazy actually. We already took the low on the S, so we do have an SMT, but still. And then in this leg here, that would be the singular 2 hour, which we are holding as a stibby still. I kind of do want to see that gets used as an inversion. Yeah, that's just gonna be in 29 minutes maybe. So let's see here. 2024 mentorship is a lot of work, not gonna lie, but I see emphasizes on gaps, new week opening gaps, and new day opening gaps. These are the magnets for NQ. He did introduce new models, but yeah, this mentorship will change your whole strat. Yeah, that's just something like yeah, I found my model now. I know it works in the end. I'm sticking to it. I'm not changing anything anymore. I've done it all before. It makes the most sense to me. The way yeah, the way IFVGs works. Like yeah, that's why I wanna trade. But yeah, still I do watch some videos in the IST mentorship. Like I don't know, it's like even though I don't really need the information, I don't know, I just like watching it. It keeps you like, I don't know what the right word is, like keeps you fresh, or it keeps you I don't know, maybe you know what I mean. But yeah, I do watch some videos or live streams in the background as well. Nothing here. I would still be looking for longs. Did get a nice reaction from here. 10 AM PMI news, that's what I would wait for, which was, oh, not yet actually. One more, that's PMI. And then here as well. Okay, we do have all these equal lows. Maybe ES wants to take those and then actually go higher again. But let's see. Take those lows. Don't have an inversion yet, so no trade. We did take the equal lows here now as well. There would be nothing here. And now we did have the inversion from here earlier. And then again take the equal lows. Again react off the busy here. I have low hanging fruit on this. Or this on NQ. Or yes, sorry. And then again, tap back into the 50-minute also. And then closing above this. Oh. Here. There. And then stop. Second lowest candle. Break even would be at the highs up here because that's all the resistance, but that's beyond a 1-on-1, so it'd be a 1-on-1 break even. Can you explain your model? Oh, IFG model. Yeah, and I made some rules around it. So here, I'll wait for, if I can look at this. So I have a draw on liquidity. Let's say I'm bullish. This would be my draw on liquidity. I look for, isn't necessary, but when there's like a busy here, that's just extra like confidence, you could say. But I just need to wait for equal lows. There are some variations, but this is like the base model. So trade lower from here, have equal lows created, and then take the equal lows, have the inversion in here. It's basically the 2022 model, but then like anticipating or like being earlier in than the 2022 model. So here, closure above the inversion. But this is basically like the simple way to explain it. We close above this inversion. This would be my entry. And from here, this would be the breaker. And then most of the time, this is going to be the unicorn setup for most people. But like simple set, I would be earlier in than the unicorn model. This would be my break even. So once people are getting in, then I'm already at break even. And sometimes the market isn't even bullish and we go lower and then I'm stopped to break even. Or I would be in already for a better entry and then go to profit there. But that's like the simple simple way of how the model works. It isn't always like that, of course, but that's like the thought process behind it. Yeah, that would be break even at a 1-to-1. First EP needs to be at least a 1-to-2. I think the first EP, that would be original consolidation. This would be first EP, which is a stage of accumulation. In this market maker buy model, it's beyond a 1-to-4, so 1-to-2 would be first EP. And or yes, hit step. I don't think it will. First, have to see if we even get the break even here. Let's see. And that's a stop. And wow, not again. Okay, that wouldn't have been TP, but they prevent me of getting break even first, and then. But yeah, that's pretty unfortunate again. Let's just keep this playing. See what it does after. Okay, so that would have been TP crazy, but unfortunate. But yeah, that does happen, of course. Let's extend this through. Was there any other entry after that trade? After that stop, I mean. No, there was no inversion there, so no trade. Even though we did take equal lows there again. Yeah, it was in the right time. Everything was right, so unfortunate. Copy image. That would be in here. Paste in here. And would go to the PM session now. Yeah, draw on liquidity, I could say that it was correct. I'm still expecting for it to go higher to this here. And then this did get in first, so that's also good. So this can be used as support. This can be removed. This also. We're all holding it on yes, but yeah, the draw on liquidity for me is higher. So I am also expecting for this to be a inversion, and these levels are going to be the most sensitive, which is the high, the CE, and the low. Wait, it actually isn't a inversion. 6 hour. Oh, that would be the 6 hour on yes. And then same thing there. Let's see. We'd still be looking for longs here. Do this range here. Do a Singer refugee here, 50-minute. And then for ES also a 50-minute, I think. No, 5 minutes, 4 minutes. Okay, so Singer 5 minutes. Okay, let's see here. 13.15 or 13.30 needs to trade lower before we can go higher. We do have really clean highs here. Let's see, so 13.15. First, probably you want to see the lows here before we go low, before we go higher. You take the lows here. We do have a really good SIBI there. Don't do anything with it. ES did close below here. Maybe wants to go to this low. So NQ already did, and it is also holding that busy there. So for ES, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. They go below that. So Sing Refugee in the entire leg would be 15 minutes. Draw equilibrium on here as well. So at least need to see a turtle soup inside of equilibrium before we go higher. Let's see. Didn't take the low yet. Still have equal lows on this. Time is this 13.50. Now we have the turtle soup inside equilibrium. So now I can look for longs again. We do have a really clean SIBI here. Nothing here yet. Take that low. Nothing here yet. No entry. The 4-hour candle opening is here though. Also here. Let's see here. Still be looking for longs. We are holding the 15-minute busy still. Nothing here. No. Okay. So we'd wait for more structure. Okay, we did take the equal lows now again. I don't know where that drop came from, but no inversion, no trade. And I think it's okay. Maybe we do get better structure. But yeah, this is outside my kill zone, so yeah, there would be nothing here for me. Again, I think the draw on liquidity would still be correct. Hopefully we don't take this the next day, which is Thursday, which I'm not trading. But yeah, draw on liquidity was correct, but just couldn't get an entry here today. Really nice, or again at another turtle soup inside equilibrium. But yeah, nice reaction from there. Thursday, let's go. Didn't take out the high yet. I am not trading this day, so go to the next day. Wow. Which is NFP, of course. Still didn't take the high. Have all these equal highs up here. And then trade lower again. We are holding, are we? Aren't holding the inversion anymore. Do we have buy side still up there? This would be the busy here, which we are holding. And then for ES, we don't have anything here in this leg, so that would be optimal trade entry. Or ES wants to go for that low, and then we have an SMT low at the low, and then we actually want to go. But yeah, let's see here. Do we have any other news? 8:30 only. Monday's bank holiday, but okay, let's see here. Let's still be looking for longs here after this drop. Took equal lows. No inversion yet. No trade. 3 minutes. I have nothing here. Wait. Wait for 10 AM now. Which is here. Which is here. Okay, so let's see. We did take equal lows. This did close above. Okay, then this can be my entry. Yeah, okay, this can be my entry here. Equalize up here. Do have the inversion here. This candle close above, so this would be my stop entry. That's what is it? Stop buy. This would be break even at a 101. Let's see here. Okay, so there is no entry here. Didn't get filled, so no trade. Have nothing here. Wait. Nothing here. I still have that low. I have not taken equal lows, so it's still wait, yeah. Yep. Trade higher finally though. Still have to wait for more structure. No inversion, no trade. Okay, now taking all those equal lows here on ES. Still in the right time? Yeah, it is. No inversion, no trade. And this is something I wanted to backtest. So we have this leg here, we have no inversion, but on a 2 minute we have like a forced inversion. I don't know what else to call it, but yeah, this is exactly okay. So I'm gonna take this. This is not my setup, but this is something that I want to backtest, and then can be my setup if it's actually good. Because I have seen it work in the live markets, and that's also the reason why I want to try this backtesting. So we're gonna try this, stop second lowest candle, market by market order. It's gonna be my break even here also. And then first TP is gonna be at, wait, let me actually make a notion of this. Forced inversions. Then I'm gonna paste it in there if it works or not. First TP is gonna be at, is it? Yeah, it's gonna be at that high there. Or actually this would be the, no it wouldn't be. Yeah, this would be first TP, it's 1 and 2. Let's see here, we did inverse this entire leg here also, yeah, okay. So let's see here. That'll be first TP, and then full TP is gonna be at the high of that, what was it? Of that, oh my god, market maker buy model stage of accumulation. So that was a break even on this, which is now break even. If this, okay, that's 75% off there. And let me check this again. Yeah, this would still be the market maker buy model from this leg to this high. So if I could only look at this, then this is the original consolidation, these two highs. This also included. This is first stage accumulation, second stage accumulation, third one. Trade even lower. But yeah, this is a stage of accumulation inside of that market maker buy model, even though this looks pretty choppy. But this will be final TP probably. Which is a 1 to 5, which is okay. So either break even or the market closes or a TP. Let's see here. And that's a TP, nice. So copy image, and it did work, by the way. That's the forced IFEG. Was there any other setup? Which was my actual setup? So I've seen it work twice now. Out of twice. I haven't seen it that much, but that's something I want to backtest. Was there anything here? So we took one low. Did fail to close below. Yeah, that would also be a setup. Stop second. Yeah, this would also be a setup. Close below or fail to close below. So I would see this as a triple soup. You're trending higher. Stop second lowest candle of that sweep, or from this low then. And then this would be my entry. And yeah, that would be the same. But yeah, still, I'm gonna mark this out in the winner. In the, what is it? A plus setup wins. And in the forced IFUG. So copy image. Just gonna paste it in here. Also paste it in here. So yeah, really nice. Yeah, that would be first TP. And then yeah, if I had any runners, then this would be full TP, but it's gonna go there. Yeah, it is, okay. So finally are getting that bullish displacement, which I was waiting for the entire time, and I think this is gonna be the low until we hit this high probably. Is it? Yeah, I think it is. But yeah, we'll see. So that was a great W. 1 to 5 our trade. Which I'm thinking was that first TP valid actually. So the inversion was here. Yeah, all these equal highs here on the 1 hour though. Let's remove this because that's distracting me. If I was in a trade, this looks so choppy that I actually have to think here. This would be original consolidation all the way up there. Yeah, it would be, this would be the original consolidation here. This is just all the resistance. And then this would be original consolidation, accumulation 1, accumulation 2, accumulation 3. That's how I go to 1 hour. Yeah, okay. So then stage of accumulation would be a TP, which I did. This is all low resistance, so not taking a TP at this. I think we even took that already. And then this was, let me go back to it. Here. Second lowest candle. Wait, what? Oh yeah, it was, okay. Let's extend this. Okay, so this was the market maker buy model here. This was stage accumulation, so this was full TP there. Wait, it was first TP. Oh yeah, because this is a one, oh my god, because this is a beyond a 104. 102 would be first TP, and then final TP was at the high, and then I don't care. Okay, nice, that was it. So I'm not, like, I take a huge W on this. My rules allow me to take another one for it to make more potential profit, but with a 105, I would just close it there. Also Friday, call it a week there. And see if we did anything. And we also took out the actual bear time frame John McQueen, which would also be like the weekly objective. So oh shit, I did skip to Monday. That'll also be a bank holiday. I wouldn't even be trading that, but yeah, I didn't even do anything after that. As also after taking the high. Oh wait, actually we did trade all the way higher, but still. See if there was like another setup. But I'm not going back for it, but just for the future. So come back at 13.15, which was here. I still need to see manipulation lower if I still want to look for longs. Probably was something in here, but I skipped too far already. Oh my god, this is annoying. Let's see. Took one low, so nothing there. I don't know why ES is the leading one. Would be here. Yeah, okay. Pfft, not doing this. Wow. Okay, one more chance. See if there was anything else. So yeah, 13.15, nothing happened there. 13.30, also nothing happened there. Or I think I would have taken a loss on this. Oh no, that would be break even. No inversion there, no trade. No inversion there, no trade. Okay, so there wouldn't even be another setup after taking that win if I even wanted to take another one. So let's see where I am now. So yeah, did end September in a drawdown month, which I shouldn't even complain. Like, this is literally nothing, even though it was really like I got knocked around in that month. But yeah, really not that bad, even though it did feel like it. But that's just something like it's not that bad. Like, it should be in my head, like drawdown month, not even that big. It's like around break even, shouldn't be that bad. And then now in October, and now the price action is getting a bit better. We're getting finally that bullish displacement. Let's see where the low actually was. Was it in where I draw it in? Wow, yeah, beautiful. Okay, so we traded all the way lower. But yeah, it did give the low there again. So I think it was a 3-week singular FEG, yeah. So the 3-week singular FEG BISC here, the high, the C, and the low are the most sensitive. And we did react off the low there, like beautifully there. And maybe that's something that can be another rule. Because in this leg, I was just looking for, all these days, I was just looking for longs while we were inside of here. And as you can see, like, these were all going lower. Maybe it should be like a rule for 1 week plus, then it should at least also have to have the CE or the low. That's something for another time in backtesting. I'm gonna make it this here. When bullish. When bullish. Example. Bullish, but we are obvious. New trending lower and in a plus 1 week busy, then look for high CE or low. Rule. New rule. Okay, add that in there so I don't forget it. So yeah, crazy. Look at this. Last chop, but yeah, still. Still held that 5 loss losing streak. So that's pretty interesting. Like it's always the 5 loss with a break even as well, but 1, 2, 3. I took 1 loss, 2 losses, a win. No, okay, that wasn't it, or was it? I took 1 loss, I took 2 losses, 3 losses, break even, 4 losses, 5 losses, and then break even, 1 loss, win, 1 loss, 2 losses, 3 losses, break even, 4 losses, 5 losses. Yeah, so 5 losses there again, then a win, 1 loss, break even, win, 1 loss, 2 losses, win, loss, loss, win. Okay. Someone is still watching. I think this is pretty boring, but yeah, this is important for me. Yeah, okay, so great backtesting session. I don't know who's watching, but I'm gonna end it here. Thank you for watching. Really appreciate you. Thank you, and hopefully see you in the next or tomorrow, the next backtesting session. Gonna end it here. Thank you. Gonna write also this down in my journal with pen and paper. But yeah, see you.